marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Northport Light, Wisconsin, until 12:45 a.m. At 11:47 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 8 nautical miles northwest of Port Washington, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Port Washington. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. An area of strong